Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card in your Google Pixel 6a and Pixel 7. Okay, first you're going to need your SIM card tray and we are going to pop out the smallest SIM card you have there. It usually comes with different sizes for different phones and very tiny. Okay. So next you need to grab your phone, and the SIM card tray is located on the left side over here. As you see, there's tiny holes there in the tray. For both of the phones, 6A and 7, it's located in this exact same spot. Next, you're going to need your SIM card ejector tool. This usually is located in your box that came with the phone. It's a round shape with a tiny thing like that here. If you have misplaced this, you can alternatively use a sewing needle. This is the best thing you can use if you don't have this. I'll show you how to use this both. First with the original tool. Okay, this original, it's extremely simple. You simply insert in this small tiny hole and push on it like this, so the SIM card tray pops out, and then can we simply remove it. Okay, with a needle it's slightly different. You're going to take a needle, it's a very fine needle, but it must be strong, and we're going to place it again inside this hole. However, we can't really push like this, as we can't apply much force. So what we are going to do is place the needle on the table, align the hole and push it inside till the tray comes out. Obviously be careful not to stab yourself. Okay, so the next, this is SIM card tray where it will put in the SIM card. It will go in like this. And this is how you place the SIM card inside it. The SIM card will need to be placed with the shiny side outwards. You see, there's a chip, and there's also a guide here, a little triangle which indicates where you need to put it, and simply place it like that. So it's very flush and at the same level. Then we are going to simply slide it carefully inside. As you're sliding inside, make sure that the SIM card doesn't move and doesn't pop out. It's prone to do that. And simply slide it in till it's very flush. And that was basically it. And after some time you will see a network indicator here, and you also see after some time your mobile provider. If your phone is asking for a security code as you insert the SIM card, there is usually the security code is printed on this plastic tray where the SIM card comes. It's called pin 1. In my example, 1848. I will need to enter it there. I have disabled that feature, but for most phones, for most SIM cards, you will need to enter this code to be able to access. I will show you another video how to remove this code so it doesn't ask you every single time. Alright, if this video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to install an eSIM, which is not a physical SIM card but an inbuilt chip on the phone that you register your network, watch out my other video for that. See you!